The Valve Pipeline is an online valve resource for industry professionals. This screencast will highlight some of the basic features and functionality of the website. Let's start by demonstrating the Valve Estimator. This free tool allows users to quickly obtain budgetary pricing. On the tool, there are two tabs, Valves and Pipe Fittings. Each tab contains a set of parameters which allow you to obtain pricing for standard commodity products related to pipes, valves, and fittings. To demonstrate, we will type the word ball into the first field on the Valve tab. We could stop with one term and click Search. However, let's add a few more variables. Let's include the size, say 2 inches, and the pressure rating of 600 pounds. Then click Search. You'll see that the tool quickly returns ball valves that are 2 inches with 600-pound ANSI pressure ratings. We could have specified more information in the search fields. However, let's click Add to Quote on the first item returned in the search. As you click Add to Quote, you'll see the item added to the right-hand side of your browser. This live quote allows you to adjust quantities or remove items while keeping a cumulative total. Let's add a few more random items to the quote. A 4-inch, 600-pound globe valve. Start by searching globe, 4-inch, and 600 pound. Then simply click Add to Quote, and you can see the item added to the live quote. The same functionality exists in the Pipe and Fittings tab as well. You can see we select elbow from the drop-down list here, then 4-inch, and let's add 90D to the description field. You can see the first item returned as 4-inch, 90-degree elbow. Let's add that to the quote as well. You can now see 3 items in our quote. The live quote will store up to 50 items and can be exported in a few ways with self-explanatory terms. The quote can be printed, exported to Excel, or sent directly as an email. There is also a Submit to Vendors option, which can allow you to send a copy of your quote to suppliers to provide you with a complete price and delivery options. In addition to the Valve Estimator, the Valve Pipeline has several other tools at your disposal, including an online conversion tool, a calendar tool, a bolting calculator, and several other industry-related items. The Valve Pipeline is also a great resource for basic valve information. Whether it is more information about types of valves, the material used in making them, specifications and standards, or just useful valve articles, it can all be found on the Valve Pipeline. Here you can see a page on common elastomers, where you can learn basic information or use quick links to get detailed information about the item. The Valve Pipeline also has a search function to make finding what you need even easier. Try searching for NACE in the search field to quickly return pages on the website that will point you in the right direction of understanding the meaning of NACE. The Valve Pipeline continually looks to add new content, correct errors, and offer new tools to the industry to make everyone's job a little easier. We welcome comments, suggestions, tips, corrections, or submissions. Simply send an email to info@valvepipeline.com. We'll return to the main website and leave you to explore and see how the Valve Pipeline can help you in your day-to-day business in the valve industry. Sign up for our free newsletter to stay informed and get free market perspectives. Thank you for visiting the Valve Pipeline.